Alright, I'll try to make this fairly quick update on what's been going on. Lots and lots of cleaning, stapling down everything, wires, whatnot that need to be done. Needed to figure out this plumbing part here. These are going to be the two body spray heads, and I read the instructions, and they were I knew that the threads were supposed to be behind the finished wall by a specific amount. I didn't know how much, so I picked up that little thing thinking I'll just cut a piece of copper and jam those two things together and put a galvanized pipe in there. That's this alone, if it were stuck right up to it, would be out too far. So I needed to find that thing, this right here, I picked up and did a little bit of soldering. And apparently that works, so that's a good thing. I turned the faucet on, and it's actually been on for about 5 minutes now, so I gotta turn that off. I'm gonna have to take those heads off and install the shower sprays, whatever's supposed to go in there. But 5 or 6 minutes of water pressure and no leaks. I need to research that, but that seems good to me. I don't know. But yeah, I was pretty happy that I was able to figure that out. I thought I was going to have to self-level bedroom, closet, and bathroom in its entirety. But I think the floor is in pretty good shape. I know we've got where they knocked out here and refilled for the shower bin, that over to the toilet and that thing. I've got to do some self-leveling there, and then I've got a control groove here. And I think, based on my reading, I've got a lot more reading to do, but I think based on my reading, my tile is essentially going to have to be laid to follow that. And I also think I'm going to need to do some self-leveling on this side based on throwing a level down. This room is getting a little bit better. I did take that door off, and I moved the switch over to the other side. That's because this door is going to go out where we come down into the basement, because that door opens the wrong way right now, according to how I want it to. So this door opens the way that I want it to, and it will replace that door around the corner at some point, hopefully fairly soon. I don't think I got any more insulation up since the last update, but I will be doing that very soon. We did get our new bed. I am depressed that we can't sleep in it because we've got to do all the drywall or plaster or whatever we're going to do up there. Let's see. Straightened up. I got tools all over the place in there now. So one of the things that I learned was clean as you go. The cleanup here has been kind of a disaster, but I've cleaned up most of this room. That's going to be a little center channel holder. The center channel will fire out that way. Just a little practice thing that I did. It's at a little bit of an angle so that it fires upwards towards the theater back there. I did bring down the fridge out of the garage, so that's pretty much the spot it's going to be in, except it'll be tucked into the corner, obviously. And then we'll have cabinets there and uppers there and one upper over the fridge as well. I brought the speakers in as well. They're still in the boxes, but I've got them jammed over in the electrical room, and I brought some books in. Looking forward to this being done so we can get back to normal workouts. But yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on. Just lots and lots of cleanup, getting organized so that we can get the drywaller or plaster in. Oh yeah, and I made sure all my home theater wires were tacked in as well. Looks like I need an extra staple right there, but we're looking pretty good. I'm hoping about another week or so until I can start getting drywalling quotes so we can get that done and get the tile done, get that bed in here, and then I can build the bed frame for it. Very excited about that.